Right, what we have here is a film cutter for the Viewmaster stereo color camera, which is also known as the Mark II Viewmaster camera. It's in the original box, made in Belgium, 220 volts, but if you change the bulb you can use it in other countries also, 110 or 150 volts. It's no problem. This was sold in Holland, so it's in Dutch language, the box. And inside you find some things that's also in Dutch language, because inside is original manual in Dutch. There's the original brush to clean the film chips. It's very nice. There's an original empty Viewmaster reel for putting in your own pictures. This is the manual. Which is quite nice. The pictures speak 1,000 words. And if you need the manual in English, I can also supply you with that. But the cutter is pretty self-explanatory. Also what we have here is a Viewmaster film inserter, called pincet in Dutch. I'll show you. Also the original Dutch manual for it, which is kind of neat. And then inside there's a surprise. There's not one, but there's two inserters. This one is not in a very great shape, but it still works. It's no problem. This one is looking much better, and you can put the film chips into the reels with it. But of course, most important is the cutter itself. And I have to tell you, I have rarely seen one in such great shape. With the box aside, it's in plastic. Maybe the original plastic could well be, because it looks so great, as if it has never been used. Look how it still shines. Looks great from all sides. But of course, you want it to work. See here, both shoots are there. No problem. The handle works great and smoothly. This works fine. Now put in the power. See if the light works. Which of course it does. And it's a nice white light, not the yellow kind you often see. So now let's try a little piece of film. Convince you that it also cuts great. This has been cut before by personal, but here's a little piece of film that we can try. Should be no problem at all. It's been rolled up, so it has to unroll a little. Look, it's been cut before. That's tough. You can try here and cut it. It's in. See, you can see there. Now let's cut. Great. Then what you normally do is give it a little extra push, and there it comes out. That's the second one. That's the normal way of working. And you can tell the cutter is sharp by the shape of the little film chips, which is perfect here, and which is perfect here. Very good shape. Smoothly cut. Nice smooth lines. So here you have extremely well looking, very complete, very nice looking and working film cutter for the Viewmaster camera. Get it while you can.